Cal, are we gonna get your birthday cake here, hopefully?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go, buddy. Okay, so we didn't pre-order, so Cal's gonna get the one that he wants. He wants this one. Has candles, says happy birthday, and it serves, they say it serves about 16. So we're gonna get this one, and we're also gonna get a white one. This says chocolate mousse, and the other one is cheesecake mousse in the middle. That a flag, or this one says celebrate?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That's like 4th of July.
Yeah. So we'll get these two. We didn't order, and we don't really want to come back because we don't live close, do we? These are $15.99 each. I have never gone this lazy on a party before, but I think we're gonna get 2 of these fruits and 2 of the vegetable trays. The vegetable is $11.99 a piece, and the fruit is $9.99 a piece, but it's easy. Okay, we bought 2 vegetable trays, and they're $11.99 a piece. We have a busier weekend, so it's just gonna be easier, and I don't think it's actually that bad of a value. It comes with ranch, lots of different veggies. Okay, Cal wants kiwi for his party, and he wants the golden. So we're gonna get these 3 pounds for $8.99. Okay, this is not on my shopping list, but this is where I buy hot dogs, and they're on sale here for $8.29 for a 4-pack, which is such a good deal for Hebrew National. So I'm actually gonna get 2. They freeze really well. Okay, I'm gonna get this 24 ounces of Parmesan Romano for $11.99. Great for salads. Of course, we have to get samples.
Yeah.
Okay, what are you gonna grab?
Okay.
You want that one?
Hello.
Hi, thank
Nice
you.
cherry sweet.
I've
always
always wanted to try that dip, so I was excited to see this. Yep.
Awesome.
Thank you.
I hope you liked it.
I'm sure I will, but not $10 sure, so now I get to try it first, so thank you. I'm not breaking my fast yet, but I'm collecting my samples. Okay, another thing that isn't on our list, but it's on sale for $10.49 are these cinnamon brown sugar Belvitas. All my kids like these, so we're gonna grab some.
Oh wow.
Okay, Cal's begging for Cheerios, and again, they're on sale, $4.29. So we'll get 2 boxes of Cheerios. Okay, another non-party item, but $10.99. 2 of the peanut butters for our dog. She gets some every day. She loves it, and she's a big dog, so she gets quite a bit. Okay, my total is creeping up here, guys. Okay, so there is a 49 pack of 2 bars. They're on sale, and there's a sample, so we're gonna grab these 2. Okay, my daughter has requested I get her own bottle of shampoo and conditioner that I use from Costco. I love this stuff to keep in her shower. So she had tried mine and wanted it. $9.99 a piece. Okay, the total is $151.46. Here's our goodies. Lots of good deals.